Hello, welcome to a new Acumbamail tutorial. I'm Alicia, and today we're going to see how to create a complete website from our platform. First of all, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, go to the Websites section in the left menu and click on the New Website button. This will open a pop-up where you can choose what type of website you want to create: a landing page or a multi-page site. To create a complete website, choose multi-page. Next, you'll see a list of all available themes or templates, all of them with responsive design and 100% customizable. Click on each theme to see a preview. If you prefer to start from a blank page, click on Create from Scratch. Once you've selected the theme, you'll need to give your website a name, which will be used for internal management only. In the configuration step, you can edit the name you've assigned to the website. Additionally, you can add additional scripts or CSS styles that you want to load globally, i.e., on all pages of your website. When creating a new website, by default, it will only have the home page. You can start by editing the content of this page by clicking the Edit Design button. You can edit the header and footer of your website from the design of any of the pages. By clicking on any element of the row, you'll notice that you can't edit it directly. To edit it, you must click on the general area of the row and click on the Edit Synchronized Synced Row button. You'll see that the editor reloads to show only the row containing the header or footer. Now you can apply the changes you want. Once you're done, click the Save Row button and go back to continue editing the rest of your page. You can add as many pages as you need to your website. To create a new page, click on the New Page button. The next step is to choose the type of page you're going to create from all the available options in the list. On the right, you'll see a preview of the page. Finally, click the Create button, and you'll be redirected to the Design step, where you can change the content and appearance of your new page. To duplicate a page, go to the Settings step, find the page in the list, and click on More Actions, Duplicate Page. You can edit the content of any page by clicking the Edit Design button within the Settings step. For each page, you can make a series of adjustments. To do this, in the Settings step, go to More Actions, and click on Edit Settings. This opens a pop-up where you can edit page name, slug, meta title, meta description, UTM values, additional scripts, or style specific to that page. To delete an existing page, go to Settings, find the page in the list, and click on More Actions, Delete Page. By default, the pages you create are added to the menu, up to a maximum of 6 pages. This doesn't apply when duplicating a page or when creating a second page of the same type. To manually add a page to the menu, click on the More Actions button and select Add to Navigation menu. If you added a page to the menu and now you want to remove it, simply click on the More Actions button and select Remove from Navigation menu. If you want to change the order of the elements in the menu, just drag the page and place it in the desired position. In the last step, the Share step, you can publish or hide, and you can also copy the URL associated with your homepage. Additionally, if you have a pro plan or higher or have the website extra, you can customize your site's domain. Finally, remember that in the Reports section, within websites, you can see statistics such as views, click-throughs, or subscribers, if you have included a subscription form. And that's it. That's all you need to know to create your first website with Acumbamail. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next ones we make. See you soon.